Oh shit. Tornado, tornado, tornado. 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 Tornado, tornado. Tornado. Tornado, tornado, tornado. Alright, that's what I'm hoping. Tornado. Open the windows, open the windows, open the windows. Tornado, tornado, tornado. Ah! Oh shit. Fucking tornado. Fucking tornado. Fuck. This looks like a good place. Windows. Yeah, I'm gonna open this shit real fast. Oh, fuck, come on. There we go. Alright. I'm this bitch. Hey, always safe right here, right? Yeah. Come and get me, bitch! Fucking tornado! Fucking tornado! Stop, drop, roll, motherfucker! Stop, drop, roll! Ah! Ah! Yo, what's up, guys? Nate B here. Had a blast making this video. It's my first video too, so give me some props, give it a like. If you want to see more videos, subscribe. I'm gonna have lots more videos coming this way. This is my new channel. Yeah, so this is gonna be an all-in-one channel. I'm gonna put vlogs, I'm gonna put random videos, random events with friends, possibly music if my friends wanna get down with that stuff. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed, just give it a like, subscribe. Have a great day, guys. Bye. Alright, you ready for this? I can't do it. That is too fucking loud. So I just yell out, "Come and get me, bitch!"